In a cozy little kitchen, a young woman stands by the counter, looking at the list of ingredients she needs for dinner. She decides to make pasta tonight and grabs a bowl. Her friend calls, and she replies, "I'll have the pasta, please." She feels confident about her choice and smiles at the thought of sharing it with her friend. The next morning, the sun shines brightly through the window. A boy is on his way to school, staring at the sky. He says, "It will be a great day." His words are full of hope, and he jumps with excitement, ready to enjoy the day with his friends. At a local sports event, a young girl is standing near the track, watching her friend run. She says, "I think she'll win the competition." Her eyes are full of emotion and hope. She claps her hands and cheers her friend on with all her heart. In a quiet library, a man is flipping through a book on grammar, focused on the section about will. He writes down the example "I'll call you later" in his notebook. He looks relieved and excited, knowing he's making progress in his learning journey. Outside a cafe, a couple is discussing their plans for the weekend. They both say, "I'll take you to the park." The sun is shining, and they are smiling at each other as they plan to spend quality time together. Their words mean a lot to them and reflect their excitement. In a bustling city, a man walking on the street tells his taxi driver, "I'll have a coffee later." He looks tired but determined. The taxi driver nods and continues driving, confident that the man will follow through with his plan. Lisa is at a park, watching a race between her two dogs. She says, "I think they'll both finish." Her eyes are sparkling with anticipation as she predicts the outcome. She's happy to see both of them running with all their might. At the school playground, a boy blushes after being called out by his teacher for a prank. He says, "I'll make it up to you." His voice is shaky but sincere, showing that he's trying to do the right thing. The teacher smiles and gives him a chance to explain. During a rainy day, a woman is watching the weather forecast on her phone. She says, "It will rain all day." Her expression is serious, and she is preparing an umbrella and a raincoat. The rain starts outside the window, softly falling. In a small village, a farmer is announcing to a group of people, "I'll help you with the crops." Everyone cheers, showing their gratitude. This statement symbolizes a decision to offer help, strengthening the bond within the community.